Businessman Tagwirei is once again poised to benefit from Zimbabwe's latest fuel price adjustment as authorities hike palm prices and increase ethanol blend in a move that is already intensifying debate over transparency and elite capture in the country's fuel sector. Tagwirei makes another killing. Don't forget to subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Zimbabwe motorists are facing rising fuel costs barely 2 weeks after a surprise increase following a new pricing update by the Zimbabwe Energy Regulator Authority ZERA issued on 17 April 2026. The regulator raised the fuel blending ratio from E5 to E20, with diesel now selling at 52.63 Zimbabwean dollar per liter, while petrol blend E20 is priced at 52.37 ZWG per liter. ZERA said the shift toward higher ethanol blending is part of government efforts to reduce reliance on imported fuel and support domestic ethanol production. Authorities maintain that the pricing model, anchored on market-based mechanisms and moderated taxation, is designed to ensure stable supply while cautioning consumers from global oil price volatility. The regulator also assured the public that fuel stocks remain adequate, with reserves projected to last more than 3 months, while warning against panic buying and hoarding. However, it cautioned that prices remain under constant review and could be adjusted again within the next 2 weeks. Despite these assurances, the latest adjustments are likely to reignite scrutiny over Zimbabwe's fuel sector, long criticized for benefiting a narrow circle of politically connected business elites. Tagwirei, through his company Sakunda Holdings, has remained a central figure in the country's fuel supply chain, with long-standing links to government fuel procurement and strategic programs such as Combined Agriculture. Analysts argue that shifts in fuel pricing and blending policies often intersect with the commercial interests of companies involved in fuel supply and ethanol productions, areas in which Sakunda has had significant influence. Tuma developments are reported in the comment section. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.